because I still feel like I have a lot of basketball left in me. And I wanna play in a high level. I wanna win.
Yo,
that's what I do.
A good shepherd get life to the sheep, leash nice, but nah, he ain't nice underneath. Got a price on the leash, I don't trust when he speak. He sound a real spite for the meat. Lead with the best of the people, the eagle and doves that I'm feed with a flesh. Tryna speed with a race, you believe that I'm blessed. Gotta speed to the left. All of my clothes, I be eager to measure. No,
I'm gonna adjust. I'm gonna learn. But one thing I know for sure, hard work always pays off.
And they have their biggest lead of the game. Beat it up, let me finish. Confidence 8 feet tall. All of my business can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur, don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen it up, seen it up, seen it up. Yeah, I done seen it up. Make condition lifesaver, mint money, make that like a man. Send a behavior, cause baby gon' give me that. Again and again, I repent.
And they love that.
Last thing you saw was a bang.
Just to compete at a high level, to win. I'm a winner, you know.
Few seconds on the clock. Almost lost. There's a thanking for Ibaka with the 3.
When I go on the court, I'm not playing against who is in front of me. I play for me to be the best I can. I play for myself to do the best I can, the best for my teammates. That's all matter.
Ibaka with a 3-pointer. He drills it.
I feel like Farrakhan, now they Farrakhan. Staying out the media, give me a clear mind. I'm a media, no matter where I line, I still rock shit. On the op list, A-list, you are not this. Got a brain, but I never will get on top picks. My list, so I'm better start taking offense. I ain't no hero, I ain't no hero. Commas and zeros. You know I need those. Money the root of all evil, fruit is forbidden. Street knowledge made the filthiest dollars we spending on Eve. Out of my please, out of my please. Confidence 8 feet tall, all of my business can't see yours. Got on my side, I can't see flaws. Tell the chauffeur don't slam my doors. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Yeah, I done seen enough, seen enough.
I know I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna focus on do what it takes to do for my teammates and to be the best I can for myself.